Okay. Wait. So already rotor hook, everything. Now we're returning the cover. This one, the pipe must be here inside. Hold for me. So I will show this. So this one, this is the supply of oil coming here. There is a blocking screw here. This oil is from here, from this side. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, bye. Now continue. Let me help you.
পরে বলো ম্যানুয়াল কেন দিন ম্যানুয়াল করতে হবে মানে ঘোরা দেখা খারাপ হয়ে যায় লাগানো আছে লাগানো
ঠিক আছে।
কাট দিছো সেলটা তোমার লাগাইছিল না সেল লাগাইছিলাম সেল খোলার পরে আবার লাগাইছিল হ্যাঁ আপনার আপনার লগে শুধু দেখলাম দেখেন কোন জায়গা থেকে খোলা লাগে কত না লাগা লাগে এই যে সেলাই করার পরে ওই সেল ইয়েটা লাগাইছি অবশ্যই আবার
You can cut and then put again. Like that. Because it's still long, no? You can use a small screwdriver like this, no? Yeah. Like this.
Sorry, was give me technique.
Now, okay.
Right now? No. Mention color output or input?
So it's Up, this one.
Up, no?
Up, this one, up. And then,
No, I asked the moving knife.
okay, put the air. Put the air.
Air throw.
Okay,
Okay, now?
yeah,
Maybe okay.
it's okay. If this one coming here,
Yes.
that's wrong.
Slowly run.
Okay, go.
Oh. Okay.
We don't get this one.
হ্যাঁ সব কিছু ওটা আপনার আমাকে দিয়ে দিবেন একটা ফাইল দিচ্ছি বুঝছেন ওটা আপনার কাছে থেকে আপনার কাছে লাগবে ওটা মানে
Like this one.
হ্যাঁ
Babin case.
और गोविंद क्रिस्टल में लगाई ना बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम
Now we will test the machine. We'll see if it is working or not. Like that. So only the tension little bit, huh? Because I lost this one when I put the chin stitch.
Oh,
I lost.
No, no, it's just
But the connection of
nice one, no.
yeah, long
Long. Long is best.
because of this. Now the tension is pretty good. This is the tension now. Side tension. This is the top.
Now adjust the weapon. Adjust the weapon. Okay, not come. Only adjust weapon.
Yeah, because when we move this one, you know, it's
Yeah.
changing little bit. But it's only capture. Only capture.
By parameter by set weapon.
Already. We set already. We put a backup before we go last time, right?
Yes.
This one. This is the parameter, no? The trimming speed by
No.
same of
You feedback one parameter. Install here. Feedback no.
backup.
That's it.
You wanted to know how to make it
Yeah.
মাইনাস
when you watch the first video.
Now I need by parameter by adjust this weapon.
yes right
The
Yes.
nepper,
Yeah.
the parameter
Parameter.
for the speed.
No.
প্যারামিটার লজিস্টিক্স এন্ড চেনিস্টিক টু প্যারামিটার
Now I don't know this weapon where the straw. I have to mention.
ও চেক
Input, output, same of the one I teach you in the.
Same asked you.
Yeah, so okay, go on the E mode.
Emo.
E mode.
Okay, I put the emo.
Yeah, E mode. You
আপ এন্ড ডাউন
up and down plus A. Now you no. Yeah, E mode is coming. Then go down. Same OAO. Go in the OAO.
Audio or OE?
Go OAO.
OI.
Just press continuously. Hold. Just hold. This one same. Encoder. Okay.
Encoder.
Encoder same. Nothing different on the other machine. Just put like this. Continue. Up and down, same, you know. Oh. From here, I'm not pretty memorize, huh? But you have to. See? See? This is trimming. Okay. Trimming. Okay.
Okay.
So, B, natayos. C, blower. This blower. This one. Thread catcher. You can see exactly the thread catcher. Okay. From here you can adjust, no?
Yes.
But
এখন চালাই দেখতে পারেন
it seems some wrong connection here. I heard so much sound. I will check later. Because of this. This is the one.
It's open, no?
This one is not connected. This one should be here.
Here.
Here. And then this one, the white should be here. White should be here. White. This is drain, right? Drain. Yes. White must be there. Okay. Now press. I wanted to hear the sound. Press. Letter D. D. No, D. Press. No sound. Okay. Okay. So now okay. Because when you make a wrong connection here, of course wrong. Input, output. No escape states. So you can adjust here a little bit down.
ये देखो 5 millimeter लो.
Just so much up. So you see the tension.
টেনশন পিসি
Pretty good.
গুড
It's beautiful. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.